how to hide someone from your Facebook story. To do this, first of all, open your Facebook application and then hit on the create story and then choose any photo or video which you want to post as your story. Then on the left button side of your corner, you'll see privacy. Hit on that. From here, if you click on the public, then anyone on Facebook or Messenger, you can see your story. But if you click on the friends, then only your Facebook friends will be able to see your story. But if you want to hide someone from Facebook story particularly, then click on the costume and then select the people to whom you want to show your Facebook story and then click on the done. In this way, you can hide someone from your Facebook story. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe.